What? Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark doo 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 doo.
Yummy.
Do you want some toast?
Okay. Apple.
French toast. Okay, here. And then cut it up.
Oh.
Whoa. And we're gonna blow on it because it's hot, hot, hot.
No apples.
You blow? Okay. There you go. You can do it. Is it still hot?
Go at apple. Look at Okay. Baby.
How is it?
Bay.
What?
Bay.
Yay?
Hey, Gemma.
Is it yummy?
Hey, Grandma.
Is it a 5 out of 10 or a 10 out of 10? Good job.
That is not done.
It's a 10, Grandma. Yeah.
A 10 out of 10.
Look at Anna.
Want some more?
Look at Anna.
Okay. Yummy.
Oh
It's okay. It's just the crust.
no. I know.
She's like, the crust is different. Oh no.
I think.
It has seeds on it.
I think it's so.
It's okay. You can have a bite of it. It's yummy. Hey, you want to give it to me? Oh.
Ow.
Oh. Do your Chris Farley.
Hey. Come on, mommy, Gaggy. Come on, Gaggy, mommy, Gaggy. Mama.
Can't hold me back anymore. Let it go. Sing it.
I'm gonna go. I think I
Egg.
ate. I be eggs.
Hey.
Eggs.
Eggs. You got eggs. You put syrup on my arm. Kiss it better.
Mommy, Archie.
It's okay. It doesn't hurt.
Archie.
What? You put syrup on my arm again. How is it? It's a 10 out of 10.
Is it a 10 out of 10?
It couldn't be more perfect.
Eggs.
Thanks. Yeah, yummy.
I will be
Do you
yummy.
want more eggs, Gemma?
Yes.
Well, yes. Before 9 o'clock, when you're supposed to
Gosh.
get up early.
Gosh.
What happened?
My nose is gone.
It's too much in your mouth.
Give me an egg.
Do you want Grandma to make you an egg?
Can we get an egg?
Yes.
Let's. Mama, some.
Mama's been home this entire time.
It's just you and Reese.
Upsy, no. Upsy. Oh, okay, go on there. I can watch the apples and watch the eggs.
Here come the eggs. Are you still hungry?
Here come the eggs. Here come the eggs. Here come the eggs. Say thank you, Grandma, for the eggs.
Mama, it is.
Welcome, baby.
No salt and pepper, and Gemma still loves.
Just hang on. Mmm. Oh.
Royal. Hi, Royal. Royal. Oh, do you see your dada? Wren? Are you guys best friends? Are you guys best friends? Royal, did you spit up on your shirt? Royal shark doo 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 doo. Royal shark doo 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 doo. Royal shark doo 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 doo. Royal shark. Rensky shark doo 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 doo. Rensky shark doo 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 doo. Rensky shark doo 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 doo. Rensky shark. Pia shark doo 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 doo. Pia shark doo 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 doo. Pia shark doo 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 doo. Pia shark. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby sharks. Little sharks. Rensky shark doo 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 doo. Royal shark doo 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 doo. Rensky shark doo 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 doo. I got lots of rolls cause I am cute little Wren and I like to drink my milk. I am cute little Wren. I drink my milk. I'm getting bored. Daddy help. Ooh.
Sibling gathering at the gym.
Triplet sharks doo 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 doo. Triplet sharks doo 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 doo. Triplet sharks doo 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 doo. Triplet sharks cute doo 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 doo. They're so cute doo 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 doo. They're so cute doo 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 doo. They're so cute. Oh, headbutt.
Hi, sweetie.
Hi Roro. Hi Reese Reese. Reese shark doo 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 doo. Reese shark doo 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 doo. Reese shark. Oh Reese, you smiling. That was she loved her verse. Wren, can you stop punching Royal?
That's what we do. That's what we've done for 9 months.
I could just watch them for hours. Just sit here. You guys are getting personalities. You're getting personalities. Triplet sharks doo 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 doo. They came from Cara doo doo doo. How did you have triplet sharks? Daddy shark doo 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 doo. Daddy shark. So many hands. Daddy shark doo doo. Oh, sorry. Look guys. A horsey, horsey, horsey. Horsey shark doo 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 doo. Horsey shark doo 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 doo. Horsey shark doo 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 doo. Horsey shark. I want to kiss my triplets doo doo doo. Kiss my triplets doo doo doo. Kiss my triplets doo doo doo. Nay. Where's Gemma when you need her?
Hey, horsey, horsey, horsey.
See how long this horse can stay here? Alright, here we go. Let's see how long it stays there.
Hi, Reese.
What, Royal?
Hi, Royal. Are you talking?
There's a horse on the belly.
Are you talking?
Look at all the stars. Starry night. Holy night. The trips are here. It's Christmas year. Sing hallelujah, the triplets are born. They have a horsey, it belongs to Gemma.
Hi.
They're so alive. You guys are so active. Okay.
I'm getting.
Alright, you guys. Just know that you guys are cute, okay? Here. This is Gemma's horsey, huh? Is that funny? That was funny, huh? You cuties. Is that Gemma? Look at it.
Yeah.
It looks just like Gemma.
Except it's missing an arm.
No way. Pia.
Chuck says she
Pia. Why? Explain yourself. No, seriously, Pia, don't walk away from me. Don't you walk away. Hey, hey, why did you amputate it? Hey, how come you amputated Tinkerbell? What did she do to you? Here. Here. It's time to take a nap. It's time to take a nap. It's time to go sleepy. Time to go sleepy. Eyes are really blue. Eyes are really blue. It's time to take a nap. I wish I was you. Naps are so much fun. I wish I could take one. All right, Royal. Love you, bud. Time to go. Oh. Let me get that for you. Oh, there's some more. Let me get that for you. Wren, can you count to 10?
Say high five, Dad.
Reese, what are you thinking about?
Yeah, that's funny. Okay. Okay.
Arabian Nights. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. This is gonna be the new Aladdin promo poster right here. Baby Reese. They both got their slumber sloths. Oh, oh, I love you, Roro. I'm a slumber sloth. Let's sleep forever. What do you say? What do you say we sleep forever? Slumber with the slumber sloth. I'm a slumber sloth. Let's slumber. Good night. Hi, Wren. I'm a big slumber sloth. I want to slumber with you. Let's slumber together. Oh, didn't mean to wake you. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Da 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 da. Arabian P, Arabian P, Arabian P. Wanna go potty? Come on, let's go potty. So I was on Amazon and I got this awesome gift for Gemma and I opened it up today. Cara doesn't like it. She says it's ugly. She doesn't want it in our house. I think it's beautiful. She's taking a little nap. I'm putting it right there. So when she wakes up, she sees my decorating. How does that not look amazing? So I would say easily the reason why I bought this piano was this right here. So I knew with Gemma that I wanted to play a lot and a lot of times while they're napping, and you can't play the piano. But with the silent piano, pull a lever down here, and I am playing right now. Best things ever. Thank you, Yamaha. Oh, also, we have a visitor that wanted to sit in for the fun. Hi. Did you want to watch Dada play? Yeah? Reese, so excited, huh? Actually, increased that number by 1. You wanted to watch too, huh? You want to hear some piano, don't you? I happen to have a piano, and I happen to be playing. Love you. This one's for you too, Wren. My name's Big Wren. I'm a smiley hen. Wren, hey, listen. Show Dada a big smile. That is my girl. That is my girl. See, it's so much easier to smile. Yeah, it's so much easier, huh? Okay, fine. Hey, you do you, girl. You do you. Gemma, look. The baby goes in the bassinet. It's in the bassinet. Doesn't hurt.
Happy boop.
Oh my gosh. Oh, you snuggling it? Oh, do you love it? Your mom didn't like it.
Mama, I eat.
Oh, since your mom didn't like it, you don't want it anymore. Do you want it?
First,
Yes? Okay, here, it's yours.
oh,
Oh, look, you guys look like siblings.
how? Just look.
That's so cute, Gemma. Yeah, it's yours. You can do whatever you want with it. Yeah, you can kick it. I don't even care. Here, want to kick it together? Watch. Yeah, kick it around. It's a soccer ball now. Yeah, soccer poop.
Oh!
I love you so much.
Okay.
It's okay, Reese. Don't cry.
No, good. Okay. Baby, okay.
You hurt another baby?
Okay.
Don't. Can you stir?
Okay.
Stir.
Bye.
You're doing good. Stir, stir.
Ah.
Way to the edge, yeah. Whoa, it's getting hard. Whoa.
Oh no. Okay.
Getting slimy. Okay. Whoa. Slime.
Yay.
You do it. Slime.
Yay.
Yeah, silly slime.
Well, it's
Whoa, look at that slime. It's gross. Whoa.
Oh.
Then would it be really slimy? Whoa.
Whoa.
Slime.
Hey.
Smell it? Strawberries. Messy.
Let's see. I did. Oh, I.
Oh.
Hey. Hey.
Hide.
Hey. Okay.
Here,
Bye-bye.
catch it. Catch it. Whoa.
I see. Oh.
Whoa. Maybe that's too wet.
Oh, what? Okay.
Yeah. Are we all done?
No,
All done? You want to play some more?
Banana.
Oh. Slimy.
Oh.
Need more?
Mama. Oh, it's the way to me.
Add those and taste it.
Like this. Because
Play-Doh we can't eat, but we can taste this. Yeah. It's sweet, huh?
I did.
Yeah, strawberries.
Mommy. My video Mommy.
It's called edible.
Apple.
Can you say edible?
Apple.
You're not used to making this kind of mess, huh? It's getting drier. Whoa.
Oh no.
Say it's edible.
Big apple.
Ooh.
Smile. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Let me see your hand. Oh my goodness.
Left for another batch. I thought maybe.
Oh.
You have a slime glove.
What's the us?
They didn't. Go wash your hands.
What's the us?
Yeah.